Hello class, we are going to start this video seeing our database. We have 5 elements in our category databases, and in our inventory we have 16. Let's go to our new page, to our new view, product management. We are going to validate the CSS and also the HTML. The same for the product and the same for the category and for product. Let's see. Okay, we are in the main page again. No error found. HTML validated. CSS no errors found. The same with the HTML. The same with the another CSS, and with our last HTML everything is okay. Let's test. Okay, we are going to add a new category. We are going to call, I'm going to call it test. Well, test 1. But before this, I will try to add an empty category. There is an alert, and now we will create it, and test 1 appears in our navigation bar. Let's do the same with product. We will try to create a test 1 product test. Here is our product image. We're going to set the price, the stock, the size, the weight, the location, test location, and the vendor. And we are going to leave this input in blank. We see the alert. We are going to finish our product registration test. We created, we receive a message of success, and we will see it in our database. Our test 1 product was created properly. Okay, let's see our pair values. We have a product management view. Here we pass a new category action value part for new category, and for new product, a new product action. We will see in our index that when they receive their value, their action value, they will be redirected to the page, to the proper page. Let's see that again. And everything is working properly. Thank you for seeing this video. My name is Nombrod Guaira, and this was a video for CIT 336 Enhancement number 4.